Hello and welcome to Melissa's Revolution in Wellness, and I'm Melissa. I'm a certified personal trainer with a specialty in multiple sclerosis, and so I'm going to do a whole series of videos that have some MS tips and tricks and things that you can start adding into your workouts to help with some of the smaller things that really need to be done. This first video is about getting up off the floor. So if you've had MS for any period of time, typically you'll have some problem with walking, whether it's the hip flexors are weak or you have some trouble with dorsiflexion and you can't lift your foot, so you have a little foot drop. Those kinds of things will make trips and falls more likely. So you may have fallen, you may not have fallen, but either way, practicing getting up is actually a really great thing for you because functionally speaking, if you practice it over and over and over again, you're going to maintain the ability to do these things. So what happens when you fall? You could fall all sorts of different ways, and I'm just gonna pretend that I've fallen and I'm stuck on my back and my legs are out, okay? Because that could happen, right? So the first thing, and then we're gonna unpack this, guys, and we're gonna do even more with these just to take little pieces of this and build on some exercises from this. So I've fallen and I'm struggling. Now, one of the things that we have to work on is the core, and the other thing is we have to roll over because otherwise we're never getting up, right? So I want you to bring one leg up. Now, if you need to hang on to your pant leg, you can do that. Bend that leg and then bring it up and over the other leg, okay? Put this hand out, reach the other hand, and you're gonna do what I call a reach and a roll, okay? And you're gonna roll to your side. And we're gonna unpack this, like I said, in other videos, okay? Once you're on your side, you're gonna have to use this arm to press and draw this elbow back to brace yourself up, okay? Now, I'm under no illusions that it's going this quick, but we're doing it in a video, so I wanna show you the steps that you would take. But believe me, I've been there with clients, tried to talk them through this. This whole process can take 15 minutes, okay? So if your body is in a state where you're feeling paralyzed or it's just in shock, so it won't move, just lay there and do some deep breathing first before you even try. Or if you get to a point like this and you can't move forward or you can't do more, try not to worry about it. Take a couple of nice deep breaths and then we'll move forward from there, okay? So I just want you to know I realize this isn't gonna happen so quickly, and so take your time with it, okay? Now, once we're here, we wanna press up and bring those hands back. How are we gonna get up? I placed a chair here, but you're gonna crawl over to some furniture, okay? So what we're gonna do is then come onto our hands and knees and crawl to a piece of furniture. Bring your hands to that piece of furniture and you're gonna take one leg. I'd like it to be your stronger leg because you're gonna be pressing off of this leg, okay? So if that's your right leg, go with your right leg. If it's your left leg, go with your left leg. You're hanging on to the chair. Now, if you need to, again, you can help yourself pull that leg up, and we want it to be as close to a 90-degree angle as possible, okay? Close to a 90-degree angle as possible. You have now two choices from here. You can just bring it up and put your tush on the seat, or you can stand up from here, okay? So it really depends on where you're at with your functionality, okay? So the first way, curl those toes under in the back and push up and bring it right over to the chair, okay? But let's say you don't want to do that, or you can get straight up from there. Great, you're here, curl the toes under, lift up, and stand up. Now you're gonna bring this forward. Now this could be, guys, this could be your walker. This could be your walker, but put the brakes on. This could be your wheelchair, but put the brakes on. This could be a piece of furniture in your house. So I hope that this is helping. I'm just gonna give you a few little tutorials of things that I've found have really helped my clients in the past. So I'm coming down there to talk to you a little bit better. So just some tips and tricks that have helped my clients in the past, and hoping that this helps you.